Foil adjust is a capability in Omega that allows you to adjust the color-to-color registration for Gerber Edge jobs by specifically adjusting one particular color to the left or to the right by a user settable number of pixels. So if you're printing a job and say it's, for example, red and green, and the red is shifted perhaps by a pixel or two to the right of the green when the job prints, Foil Adjust allows you to adjust the red with respect to the green, offering improved color-to-color registration for that particular job. And Foil Adjust has been better integrated into the splview program, so I'll show how that workflow kind of all hangs together. So as I showed before, you can pre-flight or preview a job by going to the File menu and then going to Print Preview. And when you click on Print Preview, this brings up the splview program. And the splview program allows you to see the colors and the cut information that's in a job. So this job has two colors and just a simple weed border for the cut. Now what you can do is access the Foil Adjust program directly from splview. So now I can go to the File menu and then I can click on the Adjust command. And when I do that, the first thing that it's asking me to do is to save a new version of this spool file. And you notice that it has the ADJ, the adjust suffix added onto the file name. So I'm going to go ahead and keep it saved as that and click on Save. You can call it anything you want as long as you remember what it is. I'm going to click on Save and it brings up a new dialog box. And this new dialog box allows you to do two things. The first thing it allows you to do is include or exclude certain colors by clicking on the Include checkbox. So for example, if you're printing a job and it's a 4-color job and you've printed 3 of those colors, but for some reason the job gets stuck, what you can do is use this splview Foil Adjust program and exclude the first 2 colors and just print that last color by not including the first set of colors and only including that last color. So the first thing that this new Foil Adjust capability allows you to do is to include or exclude colors that are in a spool file. The second thing that it allows you to do is to adjust on a pixel by pixel basis. You can adjust a foil color to move to the left or move to the right, and you do that by using this setting that's here. And the setting is what you do. You enter in a positive or a negative number. If you enter in a positive number, it's going to move a particular color to the right. If you enter in a negative number, it's going to move that particular color to the left. So in this case, I have 2 colors. I'm going to say I'm going to move my brick red to be 2 pixels minus 2 pixels to the left. And then I can go ahead and click on Save to save that file, or I can click on Print to print that job directly to my Gerber Edge 2, Gerber Edge FX, print that job directly without actually saving these changes. So just for fun, I'm going to go ahead and click on Save, and this job is called Something else you can do is just generate a quick test pattern using the colors that are in the job. So what it will do is generate a color-to-color registration small test pattern, and you choose a reference color which is printed as a sort of an absolute placement color, and then the other colors will be printed with respect to that reference color. And you can choose to print this test pattern using the adjustments that you've entered in above, or not using the adjustments that you've entered in above. So using Foil Adjust in general, what you'll usually do is print a test version of the job or this test pattern. You'll inspect it to determine which colors need to move in which direction, and then you'll enter in those pixel values here in this dialog box.